In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a 3-day look back in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you are logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine, as long as you are on the main charting screen. We're going to start right from there. On the top of your chart, look for the Indicators button. It's usually near the middle or left side of the toolbar above your price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can search for and add any technical tools or custom scripts to your chart. And it's exactly where we'll find the 3-day look back. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search box at the top. Click on that search box to activate it. This is where you type in the name of the tool you want to use. Typing directly into this box is the fastest way to find specific indicators, instead of scrolling through long lists. Now, in the search box, type in 3-day look back. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the available indicators. Give it a second to load, and you should see results that match what you just entered. Look for the 3-day look back indicator in the results list. When you see it, click on it once. That will immediately add it to your chart. After you add it, take a moment to look at your chart and confirm that the 3-day look back is now visible. Depending on how the script is designed, it might show up as a line, a shaded zone, or some type of overlay on your price action. If you want to adjust how it looks or tweak the settings, hover over the indicator name in the chart legend, usually found at the top left of your chart, and click on the settings icon. From there, you can change colors, line thickness, or any other inputs the script allows, so it matches your trading style and is easy to read. To get the most out of this feature, make sure you are actually on a TradingView Pro plan. Pro gives you more indicators per chart, better performance, and additional tools that make multi-day lookbacks and more advanced setups much smoother to work with. If you are ready to upgrade or try Pro, use my affiliate link in the description. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and ensures you get the full TradingView Pro experience for this 3-day look back setup.